they don't know who they are. They don't know themselves. And all of these fear tactics, they're going to be using it around money next, is a way of keeping people trapped and separated from themselves. And the less they know themselves, the easier they are to control. And people don't know themselves as sovereign beings. They don't know that they are as equal to me and you. They're as equal to anyone who finds himself in some type of political office. Nobody has any more rights than anybody else. And there is no royalty. Like, everybody's royalty, right? But this idea that some people have more rights than others and have the right to tell other people how to live their lives is that's the war, right? That's the spiritual war. Because if you know who you are, then you know that we're all equal. We're the same. We're one. And if you don't know that, then you're caught up in thinking that some people are better than others and need to be told what to do.
So just because somebody has a badge and a gun doesn't mean that you can tell me what to do?
That's right.
Wow. Fascinating concept there. What if I draw a circle around this map and say anybody who lives within this circle has to give me money because you live within this circle?
Exactly.
Is that doesn't exist either?
No.
Oh.
No.
Wow.
It's total bullshit.
Wow.
I mean, the way I see it is if I have to pay anybody anything for something like that, I'm basically just paying to be left alone. I treat paying any agency, any money for anything as I'm paying the gangsters who are running the neighborhood. And if I don't do this, they're going to burn my house down, or, they're going to throw you in jail.
Yeah.
And if you resist that, they'll fucking kill you. And so all the wars going on around the world are just turf wars, right? It's all this very strategic control. The United States government just bought Ukraine, the breadbasket of Europe, and has total control because they're now in a massive amount of debt to the U.S. that they'll never be able to pay off. So now they have to do anything we say, or everything the gangsters say.
Mm-hmm.
So this is all gangster alliances, the way I see it. And when I look at it like that, it all makes way more sense than anything else.
Now that you put it that way, it makes so much sense. Paying to be left alone.